do you do when your remote clicker dies? How do I replace this battery? That's what we're gonna talk about today. That's right, we're diving into remotes today. From regular remote, to how to change the batteries, to remote key combos, how to change the batteries, flip out remotes, how to change the batteries on that. Or what if you have like one that's just in your pocket, right? Push the start. Or maybe you got some funky looking thing like that. A Chrysler or a Dodge Ram got a little key that comes out. Anything that has a key that comes out usually has an area where you can pop it apart. This one has a nice little flathead area where you can separate. Now I can take that apart now and like so, change out the battery. All right, now we got this Nissan. And these are kind of like push to start. So you don't really mess with them much. Now this has a hide a key that comes out. Hide a keys are usually a good spot where the separation can occur. There's a little tiny groove right here where I can put a flathead, and as you can see, it popped apart. So, and then I can replace the battery. Let's dive into a flip out. When you need to change the battery of these, flip them out. You'll see a little groove. They pop apart right there. And then my little battery's hidden underneath. I always use the little holes where the blade goes, because that's usually where you're gonna find how they pop apart. Now we got the remote key combo. Very big on the old Fords, old Chevys. These ones you're gonna wanna look on the side. Sometimes they may not have slots. That's when a nice razor blade can help, because it'll allow you to get in between. But this one actually does have a slot. So I'm gonna use my nice flathead here. Pop that bad boy apart. Boom, there's our battery. And then we got our regular remote. Regular remotes usually have a little slot. See that little slot on the side right there. Pop that bad boy apart. Boom, there's our battery. If we've tested it and it's still not sending a signal, what do I do? Where do I get another remote? Well, we got you looked up on that as well. Click one of the links below. You can look up your year, make, and model, order yourself a replacement. Or if you just need the shell, say like the shell broke, you can order replacement shells and just put your guts into it. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe below. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.